All right, buckle up. Today we are making Hawaiian macaroni salad. This is definitely another easy recipe, so let's go. So I've got some diced onion, shredded carrot, milk, mayo, sugar, salt and pepper, apple cider vinegar, and elbow noodles. Start with bringing your water to a boil, then go ahead and begin adding your elbow noodles. Cook the noodles for 5 to 7 minutes, and while that's cooking, let's go ahead and make our dressing for the salad. So you're going to have 1 cup of mayo, 1/4 of a cup of milk, half a tablespoon of sugar, and then you're going to add salt and pepper to taste, just a little bit, not too much. Mix all those ingredients together, and then we're going to go ahead and strain those noodles. And so let them cool for a little bit in your mixing bowl for about 5 minutes. Then add your tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to it. Now add your dressing mixture over the noodles, and then add your shredded carrots and your grated onion into the mixture as well. Go ahead and stir all of your ingredients together. You're going to cover that and then refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours, but you can do it up to 24 hours. And then voila, serve it up. Delicious goodness. Follow me for more content like this.